Delhi, officially the National Capital Territory of Delhi, is a city and a union territory of India containing New Delhi, the capital of India. It is bordered by the state of Haryana on three sides and by Uttar Pradesh to the east. The NCT covers an area of 1,484 square kilometers. According to the 2011 census, Delhi's city proper population was over 11 million, the second highest in India after Mumbai, while the whole NCT's population was about 16.8 million. Delhi's urban area is now considered to extend beyond the NCT boundaries and include the neighboring satellite cities of Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Gurgaon and Noida in an area called the National Capital Region, and had an estimated 2016 population of over 26 million people, making it the world's second largest urban area according to the United Nations. Recent estimates of the metro economy of its urban area have ranked Delhi either the most or second most productive metro area of India. Delhi is the second wealthiest city in India after Mumbai and is home to 18 billionaires and 23,000 millionaires. Delhi ranks fifth among the Indian states and union territories in Human Development Index. Delhi has the second highest GDP per capita in India. Delhi is of great historical significance as an important commercial, transport, and cultural hub, as well as the political center of India. Delhi is one of the oldest cities in the world, and has been continuously inhabited since the 6th century BCE. Through most of its history, Delhi has served as a capital of various kingdoms and empire, most notably the Pandavas, the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire. The city has been captured, ransacked and rebuilt several times, particularly during the medieval period, and modern Delhi is a cluster of a number of cities spread across the metropolitan region. For many centuries Delhi has been a dominant trading and commercial center in northern India, and after 1990s it has emerged as an important node in the international corporate and financial network. A union territory, the political administration of the NCT of Delhi today more closely resembles that of a state of India, with its own legislature, High Court and an executive council of ministers headed by a chief minister. New Delhi is jointly administered by the federal government of India and the local government of Delhi, and serves as the capital of the nation as well as the NCT of Delhi. Delhi hosted the inaugural 1951 Asian Games, 1982 Asian Games, 1983 NAM Summit, 2010 Men's Hockey World Cup, 2010 Commonwealth Games, 2012 BRICS Summit, and was one of the major host cities of the 2011 Cricket World Cup. Delhi is also the center of the National Capital Region, which is a unique interstate regional planning area created by the National Capital Region Planning Board Act of 1985. There are a number of myths and legends associated with the origin of the name Delhi. One of them is derived from Dhillu or Dillu, a king who built a city at this location in 50 BCE and named it after himself. Another legend holds that the name of the city is based on the Hindi, Prakrit word Dhili, and that it was used by the Tomaras to refer to the city because the iron pillar of Delhi had a weak foundation and had to be moved. According to Punjab Notes and Queries, the name of the city at the time of King Prithviraj was Dilpat, and that Dilpat and Dilli are probably derived from the old Hindi word Dil meaning eminence. The former director of the Archaeological Survey of India, Alexander Cunningham, mentioned that Delhi later became Dilli, Dehli. Some suggest the coins in circulation in the region under the Tomaras were called Deliwal. According to the Bhavishya Purana, King Prithviraja of Indraprasth built a new fort in the modern-day Purana Killa area Fateh. Convenience of all four castes in his kingdom. He ordered the construction of a gateway to the fort and later named the fort Dehali. Some historians believe that Dhilli or Dhilikar is the original name for the city, while others believe the name could be a corruption of the Hindustani words Delis or Dehali, both terms meaning threshold or gateway, and symbolic of the city as a gateway to the Gangetic Plain. The people of Delhi are referred to as Delhiites or Dilliwalas. The city is referenced in various idioms of the northern Indo-Aryan languages. Examples include The area around Delhi was probably inhabited before the 2nd millennium BCE, and there is evidence of continuous inhabitation since at least the 6th century BCE. The city is believed to be the site of Indraprasth, the legendary capital of the Pandavas in the Indian epic Mahabharata. According to the Mahabharata, this land was initially a huge mass of forests called Khandavaprastha, which was burnt down by the Pandavas to build the city of Indraprasth. The earliest architectural relics date back to the Maurya period. In 1966, an inscription of the Mauryan emperor Ashoka was discovered near Srinivaspuri. Remain